On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your Starz subscription through your Amazon account. Let's do it right now. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this from a laptop today on a normal web page. You can actually do this from your cell phone or on your TV from your Amazon app. Just make sure you're logged in. And then depending on what platform you're using, things will look slightly different. So from the web page, what I'm going to do is actually come up here and I'm going to click on my account and lists. As you can see, we can scroll down here and there's this memberships and subscriptions section. I'm going to click on other subscriptions. And from here, you actually can see what you are subscribed to. Now I've got my Amazon Prime subscription and our Starz subscription. I've actually checked it out, had a little free 7-day trial, and I want to go ahead and cancel it. So what I can do is I can click on Manage Subscription here, and then we're going to get a little notification that says, hey, this is when it's going to renew and how much it's going to be for. And I'm going to go ahead and click my, underneath Advanced Controls, I'm going to go ahead and click my Go to my video settings. All right, this is where you can either change your credit card information if you want to use a different account, or you can show receipts if you'd like to see how long you've been paying for these specific channels. Now here's what we're going to be looking for. Down here we can actually click on the Cancel Channels button on the line that says Starz. You can make sure you're canceling the correct channel if you have more than one subscription. All right, I'm going to click on that. You can see it goes to our Starz page. And from here, we can click the turn off auto renew and watch until November 4th. Okay, at this point, you can see that it's going to end on November 4th for our specific subscription, and we won't be charged again. You can actually watch until the end of your subscription, which is really nice. If you want to add the channel back on, you can always come and click on your Prime Video channels and add it again. All right, friends, I hope that has helped. If it has, would you guys please hit that thumbs up button? Lets us know we're making helpful content. And you may want to subscribe because we got a lot more tech tutorial videos that are coming up really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.